Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Solarpunk game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize your graphic settings. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Solarpunk on your device. And when you are taken into the main menu, before starting your new game, you can go into the settings by clicking on it. Once you are inside the settings page, you will see the video option. Just click on this menu. And now you can find various options, including the VSync option, the resolution, as well as quality and resolution scale. Make sure that the correct resolution is chosen for your display unit. For the VSync option, you can leave it turned off unless you see screen tearings within your game. If you notice any screen tearing, then you can set this to on. The resolution scale should also be kept at 100 by default, and within the quality preset, you can find the high, medium, and low options. Try using the high preset first with 100% resolution scale. Then just save your changes and just play a game to see how your settings feel. If your game is running smoothly, then you don't need to make any further changes. Otherwise, you can go back into video and at first try reducing the resolution scale while using the high quality. You may go up to 90 or 80 to find a better option. If this still doesn't give you a satisfactory performance, then now you can try reducing the quality preset. You can try using a medium preset with a 100% resolution scale as well. Try using various combinations to get the best experience for your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Solarpunk game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.